Hi everyone, my name is Jess. I would just like to welcome you all to my channel. Today, I'm going to be opening my new Gucci bag, and I'm so excited. This is my first Gucci bag I've ever bought. I have a Louis Vuitton Speedy, and I've had it for the last 2 years, and I love it very much, so I decided, well, I'm gonna go ahead and buy a Gucci bag. So it arrived today in the mail, so you're going to be helping me unbox it. This is the first time I've opened it, so this is a nice surprise. I did go ahead and open this part of the box, so I'm just thrilled. Oh my goodness. I love how they detailed the box here. I'm not sure if this is a special holiday wrapping or if this is how it usually comes, but this is how it looks inside the box. And there's a card, I'm assuming, or maybe the gift receipt. I'll save this until last. And then we have a cute little dust bag. Gucci, obviously. I love the feel of this. I wouldn't say it's burlap, it's more like some kind of linen, I suppose, but it feels really good. And then, for the grand surprise, we have this beautifully gift wrapped Gucci box. That is so cute. Red and green. I mean, can you imagine opening this up on Christmas Day? That is, oh, I love it. So I'm going to remove the ribbon. Very carefully. Here we go. All right, so ribbon has been removed. Are you ready for the grand reveal? Here we go. Ooh, look at that. Do some ASMR with that. Oh, I love this wrapping paper. So inside the wrapping paper, I'm not going to tear this because I'd like to keep it intact for keepsake, because I'm weird like that. There's the wrapping paper. And then here is another. Oh, so I'm assuming this isn't a dust bag. Maybe this is a tote. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you know if this is a tote or a dust bag, but I will probably be using this as a tote. So technically I got 3 Gucci bags today. That is a cute dust bag. Very nice soft cloth. Okay. Ooh, I'm nervous. I shouldn't be, but I am. It's like a nervous excitement. Oh. So here we go, guys. Here's the grand reveal. Oh, I love it already. Is that not absolutely gorgeous? Oh, and it's the perfect size too. I mean, it's not too small to fit all of my like daily goods. Oh, I love this. I'm so pleased with this. A nice size strap. So there's the strap. Such a nice bag. Okay, let's look at the inside. So for the inside, so it has stuffing in it, but let's pull that out. So the interior has sort of like a suede look to it. I believe that is real suede, I'm not sure. But I read that there is a 3-inch diameter. So that's quite a nice opening right there. And of course there's a little miniature pocket right here with the tag, and there are cards. I believe these are description cards. So let's see what this says. I think this is just, these are care cards, how to take care of your bag. So overall, I am so happy with my brand new bag. Here is a full 360 view. How gorgeous is that? Perfect length strap. Oh, I'm keeping this one forever. I'm keeping this bag forever. I am so in love. I just love it. I feel like this is such a timeless piece. I mean, it goes with everything too. The brown and the black, you just can't go wrong with that. So I'd just like to thank everyone for watching my video today, and take care.